coin a phrase from Alex. G'day BD5ers. Today I'm just going to show you how I go about actually making solid ribs like this out of aluminium. I'll be doing a combination of these riveted ribs and honeycomb ribs on my wing. So I've got to make a number of these, or at least parts of these anyway. I'll be making full ones like this for W1 and 2, and also for the end ones W21 and 22. Okay, so I've got all these formulas sitting up here. There's a whole bunch here. These ones I'm only making the leading edges because as I've shown before, I'm just modifying the leading edges of the spar. So I've set them up, drawn around the profiles of each of the wing ribs. And now I'm just going to find an easy way of actually drawing a flange on these. Okay, so what I've got is I've got a simple bracket here. You can use a washer or anything like that. And I've set it up so that basically from the flange there's half an inch, 3/8 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch depending on the thickness of the flange that you want. And what we're going to do is measure this across here, and you can see that it is around about 3/4 of an inch, so I'll actually do 3/4 of an inch. That gives me some room to play with if I need to. Okay, so you're going to use the 3/4 of an inch dot, just stick a Sharpie through the hole and trace around the thing. So I'm just going to set up the camera hopefully so it doesn't fall over. On my new trusty stick it up on top of that, I think will probably work. How does that look? Okay, that'll give you the gist anyway. Okay, so simple Sharpie. Just happen to have one here. And I'm going to put the flange on the edge of this and just trace around. So I've got the hole right there, and it's just a case of moving this around, holding the flange down against the edge as I rotate. And voila, I don't know if you can see it there, I've now got a perfect ring around there at 3/4 of an inch. So I'll do the same to this one, set it back on the profile that I had done, move that out of the way. Yeah, I'm stuck on a bit of swarf. And then lucky last, well for this side anyway, oops, just Got to make sure it stays on the skin flat. If it rides up, then it gives you the wrong size. And there we go. If you follow the long edge round, it's actually quite easy to do. All right. So as you can see, I've now got a nice 3/4 inch flange around those, and it's going to be easy to cut out for a consistent flange as I form it around my formers, which I've got my wooden formers there and the heavy duty aluminium ones there that'll form the lightning holes and stuff. Okay, so that's it.